if you want your blogs to actually pull in traffic, you want to make sure you write in a natural language. Now, I already told you that you should not use AI slop or corporate buzzwords or this whole boring jargony mess in your blogs. I walked you over that yesterday. If you want, you can check my profile, on my channel. The video is going to be there. Now, I dropped a note that you should be using natural language. The rule here is you write like you speak. You just write as if you're having a conversation with your ICP. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to write in natural language without having any slop and in a way that both Google and all these LLMs love. Let's get into it. So here it is. What I want you to do is take your last 30 to 50 sales calls. If you don't have enough, go on more sales calls or talk to more people from your ICP. Take all the transcripts and feed it to your favorite AI. I like to use Claude within OpenCraft. There are no rate limits in OpenCraft. I'm attaching the link below. You can go check it out. What I do is take all the transcripts and feed it to the AI. And I'll ask AI to extract all the objections, all the questions they ask me, all their positive remarks, technical jargon, the KPIs they speak, the metrics they relate with, and also certain industry insider buzzwords only they'll use. This is very important in your blogs, in your site, in your content. You want to make sure that you still use the right buzzwords, because when people read it, they can understand that, okay, this person or this company understands me and my industry. You can only do that by talking to people and extracting insights. Once you do that, you can ask your AI to make either a custom instruction, or what I like to do is create a skill. So for every client we onboard, we create a separate skill. And we create that skill using the skill creator tool. So Claude has a really good skill creator.md. We'll create a skill in a way that your AI can write SEO friendly blogs in your ICP's daily language. Now it'll go do the work. It will give you a skill on its own. It's pretty good at it. You don't have to worry about all the technicals. Again, I like to use OpenCraft AI for that. Once you get the skill, make sure it's saved. And if you use these steps, if you do these steps, I guarantee you, it will give you a fairly decent output. It's not going to be ready to publish. You still have to review it, but it will not have any of this AI slop, or it will not sound like corporate mumbo jumbo, right? That's what you want to avoid these. You can use Claude for this, sure. With the rate limits it has right now, it can only give you maybe one blog, maybe one. And you can't really go back and forth and iterate with it. What I like to use here is OpenCraft, because you can get the same Claude model without any rate limits, and you can still use the skills here, which is great. Once you get the output, you still want to review it and you want to polish the output. You cannot just publish right away. What I like to do is called the bar test. What I'll do is I'll go over the blog, the content that's drafted, read through it, make sure that every piece, every sentence feels like an actual human conversation, and I'll make sure the entire content is written in a way that if I had to go speak to my ICP who's sitting at a bar and having a drink, I can do that. If I'm confident that I can do that, I'll go ahead and publish it. Anyway, these are the 5 steps. Take your sales calls, 50, maybe 30 to 50 sales calls. Ask AI to extract everything, create a skill, upload it, and generate your draft, then review it. You are going to get really good output in a way that you can actually rank on Google. If you run a business and you want blogs that can rank on Google and pull in more traffic, send me a message or reach out to me using the link below, and we'll see if you're a good match. Cheers. Bye-bye.